Alright, these are the SharkBite Tankless Water Heater ball valves. Just installed them. This is really the first time I've put pressure on these lines. And the water, as you can see, is weeping from the top of the fitting, not the bottom. I'd expect the bottom to be leaking if I miscut the copper or left a burr or damage to the O-ring or something like that. Since it's coming from the top of the fitting on both of these, that's so strange. I never would have guessed that both would have failed. You can see the water actively beating. This is the next morning, coming out of the top of the fitting. I removed the fitting here so we can see that the O-ring is still pretty intact. And that the connection I used was this deburred copper. It's pretty clean. I deburred it all the way around using this guy. Same thing happened with this piece. I'm still getting water leaks to where my floor is looking pretty soaked. Swap the cold out for a PEX connection, and we're still getting the drip. Just making sure it wasn't a copper problem. Yeah, that's it. I think I need to see if I can get these replaced with SharkBite Maxes, because the Max fittings don't seem to leak.